Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Helzie here from slimandstylish.stampinup.net. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today it is a 5-minute card. So I've started this series and I'm quite enjoying it, of throwing cards together that are very simple but quite effective in a short period of time, so that if you get a last minute party invite, or you know what, you've remembered and you're on your way to work that it's someone's birthday, you can just quickly throw a card together and look how effective they are. They are generally simple cards, but I just have some fun with it. So today I'm going to be using the Boughs and Blossoms cling stamp set. Really like this set, and I specifically like this flower here. I think it's beautiful and I like the speckling detail on it, so I'm going to be using that. And I'm also going to use the leaf. I don't know whether I'm going to use that leaf or this one yet. I haven't worked that one out. And a little hello is a nice sentiment, I feel. Yeah, right. Let's get going. I've got a piece of cardstock here that is 9.5 centimetres by 13.8. So I'll be able to fit a piece of cardstock behind it. I think I'm going to go bright with Coastal Cabana. Let's do that. I hardly ever use that colour, and I think that'll be a fun colour to use. Right, so let me pop some of these on some blocks. Still haven't really decided which one of these leaves I'm using, or if I'm using all of them. We'll soon find out. And a little hello is actually going to go, I've got some scrap cardstock here, so I'm going to pop my sentiment on there. Coastal Cabana. Oh, didn't do that very straight. Let's try again. Oh, it's straighter. Straighter. So I'm just going to have a little chop. A little hello. Okay, and then for the actual card, I'm going to, yeah, I'll do my flower in that colour too. I'm having so much fun with all these little bits that I've chopped off here. They're all everywhere. And I've only cut 2 little bits, so I don't really understand it, but there we go. I am not doing well on my card. Let's just grab another one because that ink was showing through. I don't feel it's going to be a good card this week because it's already not starting off fantastically well, is it? So there's my one flower. There's my other one. My a little hello is going to be going over those. Which colour shall I use next? I'm going to go with Fresh Freesia. This is going to be an alternative card. It is not going to be the usual colours that you see for flowers or for, well, anything really. There we go. I like these colours together though. They go nicely, don't they? There we go. And then I am going to use this one as well. And I'm going to use Orchid Oasis for that. So that's one of our new in colours, and it's like a mix between a blue and purple. It's quite deep and I like it. So I'm just going to pop that in there like that. A little hello is going to go over the top. Yeah, I quite like this. Considering how I thought this was actually going a bad way and it was going to be messed up. I mean, I can still mess it up. I'm still capable of doing that, but I actually like it more than I thought I was going to. So a little hello. Just there. Let's grab some pretties from my little box of goodies. And oh yes, the iridescent rhinestones. I love these. I think they're so beautiful. So I'm actually going to grab some of the bigger ones, which are the ones I rarely use. And I'm just going to drop those on. I'm going to do 3. A little hello. There we go. And then some glue. Let's adhere that onto there. Grab a card base, fold it over and put that on. And there you are. A quick, simple card. Very unusual colours, I will add. But I like it. It makes me smile, so that's good. I do think Coastal Cabana anyway is a colour that just makes you smile, isn't it? It's beautiful. So let's pop that onto there. And there is my 5-minute card using the Boughs and Blossoms cling stamp set. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again soon. Everything I've used today is available from www.slimandstylish.stampingup.net. Thanks everybody, see you soon, bye. I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store, www.slimandstylish.stampingup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to slimandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.